Hi, Chandra.
Yeah, it's Austin here.
And we're going to give you the car tour like we promised last night.
Yep.
This is our...
Like I told you, I'm fair warning you. Like I said, like I told you, it'd be a little dirty because we haven't had a chance to wash it. It's been raining and the birds keep pooping on our car.
Here's this.
Just a fair warning. It's just fair warning.
It is a Hyundai Elentra.
Yep.
This is the front. This is the side. This is the passenger side. Here's the back side. And this is the driver's side. And here's the driver area, and this is the passenger. If you can see, there's Bailey and there's Molly, because we're about to leave. And here's the back.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out further.
And that right there, you can fold that and that turns into cup holders.
Yeah, we're trying to get out of here. Yeah, we're going to try to get out of here before it storms, because I don't know if that storm's going to come this way or not. There's a storm off to the east. I don't know if it's going to come this way or not, so we're going to try to keep off the dogs before it does.
Yeah. Now I'm going to go in the car. What? Go ahead.
I'm just gonna go pee over there.
Well, I think this is what I want to talk about, because we'll just give you a tour of our car. And now, we're going somewhere to walk the dogs. Don't know where yet, but we're going to walk the doggos. And we brought some water for them. And we have portable bowls that's in the trunk. Water bowls. And hope everybody's having a good day. And later on, we're going to have a daily blog. Hope everybody's having a good day, and have any questions or anything, feel free to ask the questions, and we'll answer maybe during the daily blog or whatever video we decide to do. So everybody,